Something strange is happening online. Photos of President Trump's hands are going viral, showing unusual smudges that some claim look like makeup, while others say it's bruising from a health condition. The White House insists it's nothing serious. But social media isn't buying it. Is it makeup gone wrong, or a medical issue? Let's look at what people are saying online. Medical professionals point to possible bruising or circulatory issues, while makeup or camera artifacts could explain the smudges. TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, memes, theories, and debates are spreading across platforms, sparking questions about transparency, health, and image control. Makeup evidence, smudge patterns, product sheen, or poor blending can look like discoloration. Camera lighting and flash can exaggerate tones and create odd shadows. Medical possibilities, bruising, circulatory markings, or dermatological conditions. A clinician would look at pattern, timing, and medical history to be sure. Meanwhile, online reactions keep amplifying the story. Memes and jokes spread just as fast as speculation. That mix fuels debate and more attention. 1. Makeup or camera artifacts. 2. Possible medical causes. 3. Image control and messaging. Is it just makeup, or something deeper? Comment your theory below. Subscribe for more viral news breakdowns.